We'll now install 𝚘𝚘. So 𝚘𝚘, it's a tool to manage Python libraries. What is Python? Python, it's a programming language, and it's one of its main feature is that it's a script language. That means that actually when the execution is carried out, it's done line by line without converting the full code into machine language beforehand. And the big interest is that a Python script can run everywhere, on Windows and also on Mac and on Linux. What are libraries? Libraries actually are collections of code that have been written before by programmers, and actually that help everyone to avoid rewriting, reprogramming everything from scratch. So now let's install 𝚘𝚘. So it's this curl command that we can copy paste into our terminal, bash terminal in Z code editor. So we paste and enter. It should be installed. So here it said restart the terminal. So I will just check, maybe it's not needed. So I copy paste 𝚘𝚘 version to see if it works. It works. So you don't need to restart the command. So that means that 𝚘𝚘 is installed, and that's it.